Hello and welcome to this video on the best investments for a Roth IRA in 2023. If you're looking for an investment vehicle that provides tax-free income for retirement, a Roth IRA is an excellent option. However, it's essential to know which are the best investments for a Roth IRA to ensure a successful and comfortable retirement. First up, we have stocks. Stocks are the most basic asset for a Roth IRA, ideal for long-term growth, and are perfect for a retirement plan that's usually held for decades. You can turn regular contributions into a seven-figure portfolio with stocks, which average about 10% per year. You'll need to learn how to begin stock investing, which will require knowledge of stocks, trading, platforms, and other terms. We recommend using a brokerage account for commission-free trades, such as E-Trade and TD Ameritrade. Next, we have bonds, fixed income, which offer safety of principal and risk reduction. While bonds have limited growth potential, they're issued for a fixed amount with a fixed rate of interest and fully repaid at the end of the term. In theory, bonds maintain a constant value, making them perfect for reducing volatility in an overall portfolio. Examples include money market accounts, certificates of deposit, and short-term bonds and bond funds. Thirdly, we have ETFs, ideal for passive diversification of stocks and bonds. ETFs are mostly passively managed investment funds but hold hundreds or even thousands of securities by investing in an underlying index. ETFs are highly specialized due to the vast number of potential indexes a fund can be tied to, making them one of the simplest ways to invest. Our fourth pick is mutual funds, which are perfect for active diversification of stocks and bonds. Mutual funds invest in a range of stocks, bonds, and other securities, managed by professionals. While they have a higher fee structure, the diversification benefits make them worth considering. Fifthly, we have cryptocurrency, an alternative investment ideal for long-term growth. Cryptocurrency offers investors an alternative to traditional investments such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. While it can be highly volatile, it's becoming increasingly mainstream, making it worth considering for your Roth IRA. Finally, we have real estate crowdfunding, ideal for investing in real estate deals or funds. Real estate crowdfunding offers investors a way to invest in a range of real estate projects for as little as $500, with returns of up to 12% per year. That concludes our picks for the best investments for a Roth IRA in 2023. We hope you found this video useful and informative. Remember, the key to a successful retirement plan is to diversify your investments and choose a mix of stocks, bonds, and other securities to maximize your returns while minimizing your risk.